Today I have for you the large and medium PVC and stainless steel hooks from iBeauty. And these things, they're awesome. These super sticky. Stainless steel hooks, no rusting, perfect for places like bathroom, kitchen, where you have water and such. So I'm going to go ahead and apply one right here to the wall. I made sure and got that cleaned off. But all you're going to do is you're going to take off this backing. Okay, like I said, super sticky. I'm going to have that positioned the right way. I'm going to go ahead and stick that here. And then, and then I want to show you the difference too. So you can see this. I'll get closer and show you. And then the hook just pops right in just like that. Then you can do things like your body poof right there on that thing. So I've got a box of 20 of each of these. I have 20 large and I have 20 of the medium. And I want to show you the size difference here. The large is 2.6 inches across and the medium is 2.2. All right, so to give you just a close-up look there. Got to put the hook in the larges, but very easy to pop in. So there is the size difference between the large and the medium. 2.6 on the large and 2.2 on the medium. Let's go try them out in the kitchen. And then here in the kitchen, I am going to use some mediums and hang up my gloves for cooking. Oven mitts. So nice, good stick seal there. And perfect. So again, these are the large and medium PVC and stainless steel hooks from iBeauty. Highly recommend.